Hello guys, today I'll teach you how to make an origami swan. Guys, this is a very nice model. All you have to do is, here's my 15 by 15 centimeter square. As you can see, there's a diagonal in the middle. So you will reconstruct it like this. And now what to do next is, take this line and line upon the diagonal like this. Now take this line over here and line upon the diagonal like this and turn it over. Now what to do next is like this, and here next is take this point and line upon the point over there and like this. Now turn it over. Right, as you can see, you just bring it little over until this line over here should match over this line that crease over there. All you have to do is do it like this and crease it, and then close it like this. So your paper will look like this. Now what we'll do next is take this line and line upon the middle over here. Over there. Yeah, like this. Turn it over and do the same step over here. Now what to do next is, here's the back of your swan. Sorry. Guys, next is take this point and line upon the point over there. Guys, I'll teach this part next. Hello guys, today I'll teach you how to make an origami swan. Guys, this is a nice model, and as I have here 15 by 15 centimeter square paper, all you have to do is take this point, line upon point over there like this and crease it. Now what to do next is take this point and line upon the point over there and crease it. Open it up. So guys, as you can see, there's a two diagonals over there. Now you have to take this line and line upon line over there. Now what to do next is take this one line and line upon the line over here. Okay guys, now turn it over and push it backwards until you can see there's a line over here like this, and you have to crease it. Now next is take this point and line up one point over there like this and crease it. Now open it up, and as you can see guys, push it, there's a line, so and there's a crease. You have to match it, both of them like this. There's a line and there's a crease. You have to match up like this and do it like this. Now what to do next is take this line and line upon the middle over here, line over there like this. Turn it over and do it like this. So guys, this is my back part of the swan. Now take this point and line up one point over there. Like this point should match over here. And crease it. Now what to do is you have to outward fold, which is like this. You have to turn it and push it backwards and go the outward fold like this. Like this. So here is like this, the back of this one. Now what to do next is from this point, as you can see, you have to move it over like this. Now what to do next is you have to invert fold, like no, it's an outward fold, sorry, like this. It should be pushed backward like this. So it will look like this. All you have to do is now take this one and do it likewise, like this. Crease it like this. Now with the invert fold like this. Now just push it backward bit off inside. So here is my swan. Guys, if you like this, give a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want tutorials like this, or subscribe to my channel. Thanks.